In this video, I'll show you how to install GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code and how to use its most powerful AI features. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant that helps you write code faster, generate ideas, fix errors, and learn programming. Think of GitHub Copilot as your coding teammate, suggesting solutions, completing code, answering questions, and boosting productivity every day. Now let's jump into Visual Studio Code and I'll show you exactly how to install GitHub Copilot step by step.
First of all, open your Visual Studio Code application. In next step, we need to connect GitHub Copilot with VS Code. Go to the small GitHub icon located in the bottom right corner of the VS Code window and click on the Use AI Features option. Now sign in with your GitHub account. If you don't already have a GitHub account, you can create one for free. After signing in, click the Connect button to continue the setup process. Finally, authorize Visual Studio Code when prompted to complete the connection. And that's it! Your VS Code now has access to GitHub Copilot's AI-powered coding features and capabilities. Now let's see it in action. You can generate code simply by typing a prompt in natural language. For example, I'll enter the prompt. Create a login form. After pressing enter, GitHub Copilot immediately starts processing the request. Within seconds, it analyzes the prompt and automatically generates the required code across the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to create the requested output. As you can see, Copilot is writing the code for us automatically. Once the generation process is complete, GitHub Copilot may ask for permission before applying the changes to your project files. Simply review the suggested changes and click Accept to continue. And here is the final output that we requested. The generated login form is now ready to use. You can further customize the design, functionality, or styling according to your own requirements. If we look inside the project files, you can see that the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code has been organized and written automatically in the appropriate files. Let's try another example. This time, I'll enter the following prompt. Create a responsive navigation bar with logo and menu links. After submitting the prompt, GitHub Copilot starts working on the task. The best part is that you can simply sit back and watch while the AI handles most of the coding process for you. Within a few moments, the navigation bar is generated and ready to use. And here's the final output. The design is responsive and works across different screen sizes. Now let's explore some additional GitHub Copilot features. Just like ChatGPT, you can chat directly with GitHub Copilot inside VS Code. For example, you can ask, what is the difference between var, let, and const? This allows you to ask coding questions, understand programming concepts, learn new technologies, and get instant explanations without leaving your editor. GitHub Copilot will provide clear answers directly inside VS Code. Step 5. Explain existing code. Another useful feature is code explanation. Suppose you are working with a piece of code that you don't fully understand. Simply select the section of code, right-click, and choose the Explain option. GitHub Copilot will analyze the selected code and provide a detailed explanation of what each section does. This is especially helpful for beginners who want to learn how code works line by line. Step 6. Debug and Fix Code Errors. GitHub Copilot can also help you identify and fix coding errors. Select the section of code that contains a problem. Right-click and choose Add Selection to Chat. Then enter a simple prompt such as, why is this section of code not working? GitHub Copilot will analyze the code, identify possible errors, explain the reasons behind those issues, and suggest solutions. In many cases, it can even generate corrected code automatically, helping you solve problems much faster than searching through documentation manually. This makes debugging easier, especially when you're learning programming or working on larger projects.
If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and share with friends so they avoid all these mistakes too.